Welcome back, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking a look into this 2021 Transcend 240ML. Let's get going. On the outside of this Transcend, one thing you'll notice is we have a gigantic awning. I love these power awnings. They're just so convenient. They come out, they come in with one touch of a button. We also have some nice big windows. This looks into your dinette area. And we have our exterior entrance. This Transcend only has one, but it's very conveniently located. But let's look at the storage first. Fully finished pass-through storage in this Transcend. Plenty of places for all of your hoses and even plenty of space for chairs, even a small table if you want to keep it outside, but on the other side. We have our utility bay, a battery disconnect, a good place for a satellite TV and cable, an extra outlet, and 2 LED lights are underneath this, but let's hop inside. Okay, on the inside, first thing is right when you walk in, we've got a lot of stuff going on. First, we have our control panel here, super convenient for all of our slides, awnings, lights, tanks, everything. Down below, we have a good place to put shoes. It really solves that problem of where do I put my shoes? Right inside this Transcend, lots of drawers. But as an added treat, they put in another compartment for more storage. A hanging rod if you want to take this shelf out, or you can use the shelf for extra linens, extra things for guests, and lots of drawers below. And a good place to put your keys in your wallet right before you walk outside. One thing I mentioned is how convenient this entrance is, and I really meant it. Say you're coming in to get a quick drink. It's really close to the fridge. You have plenty of place to move around, especially if someone is cooking. There's plenty of places to move and not feel cramped. But let's start at the front of this kitchen. We may not have an island or any of those things in this camper, but the countertop space is definitely not lacking. We have a nice corner-centered sink here, stainless steel inset with a sprayer nozzle, of course. They did add a light underneath here, so that's really awesome. But both of these windows really give you a look into 2 sides, the back side and the other side of your camper, so you can keep those open while you're doing your dishes and really take advantage of your view. Down below, we have a lot of drawers. I mean, so much storage. A good place to put your soaps and your kitchen sponge. Your kitchen sponge will go perfectly down here. Above, plenty of places and very deep cabinetry. I mean, all the way back, like the length of my arm. We can put lots of crock pots or any other electronics you keep when you're on the road. Moving this way, we have our prep area. So a 3-burner top Furrion stove with the backlit knobs, nice hood above and a microwave. But again, the countertop space, you could keep a lot of ingredients and a lot of different mixing bowls really close by. They've added in an extra outlet there on the back and more drawers and storage below and another cabinet. There's plenty of things to do, and this Transcend can hold so much. Looking to our fridge, we have a gas electric RV fridge. I like how it matches the decor of all of the cabinets. Large enough to keep anything you need, and even that freezer is pretty big as well. Also located in our slide, our only slide of this Transcend, is our Thomas Paine theater seating. Now, super comfortable, lots of cup holders, and they fully recline, so it's a great place to take a nap. A nice motion sensor on and off light, and let's not forget about this big window here in the back, which we actually have open for a little bit of cross airflow, and it's definitely helping a lot. But over there is our dinette option. Again, very cohesive with colors and themes in this Transcend. This is an additional sleeping area for any of your guests, and the cushions are definitely sturdy enough to hold up for that. Above, we have our entertainment space. We have a TV, a smart TV that is on a swivel, and lots of storage beside. And this is our indoor-outdoor speaker system. It has a aux cord, a USB cord, so whenever you want to play tunes, it's definitely there to help. But let's move towards that master. Past our sliding barn-style door is our master. We have a standard queen-size bed, lots of storage above. They've opted for open storage, so I think baskets would look really nice here. Motion sensor on-off light. Of course, I wouldn't think that you would want to use motion sensor for a light that's above your bed, but you know, whatever. We have 2 mirrored front wardrobe options on each side that do have more shelving. They're really deep and plenty of space to hold anything you need. Another side table on each side as well with USB and outlets and storage below the bed as always. But where's the bathroom in this camper? Well, it is at the rear. First thing we got is our porcelain foot flush toilet. That's a mouthful. I can never say that. Here we have some more linen storage, good places for towels. Lots of shelving here next to our mirrored front medicine cabinet. That also has more storage behind it as well. Looking down at the sink, lots of countertop space and even a pretty large sink considering the size of this bathroom. Storage below and our shower. I love the skylight. I'm 5'11" and it's pretty comfortable in here. We have a removable shower head and plenty of places for our shampoos and our soap. Do you like this Transcend, or do you have any questions about this or any other Grand Design product? Give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookevillerv.com. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that bell notification icon, because we are trying to put out as many videos for you as possible. So leave us a comment below. What do you want to see? Do you have any questions? But don't forget, at Cookeville RV and Marine, your adventure awaits.